When it comes to buying car insurance, many of us call up a few companies, get a couple of quotes, and sometimes pick the cheapest one. But there is a lot of truth to the phrase, you get what you pay for. Attorney Scott Smith of Smith Law Office is here to explain why you really should do your homework. Hi, Scott.
Hi, Robin.
So we're talking about liability insurance companies. What does this mean? Why is it different?
Liability car insurance is for protection of you or someone who's insured on your policy in case you cause a collision and, heaven forbid, kill someone or injure them badly.
And I did not realize that there were companies that only sold car insurance, and there are companies that obviously sell a lot of different insurance.
That's correct. We have many companies that sell just car insurance. You have car insurance companies who sell minimum state limits car insurance, and then you have insurance companies that sell all kinds of insurance.
So what are the pros and cons to each of those?
Well, your life and your family's life is the most important thing, I presume, to you.
Sure.
So you want to not scrimp on insurance. Unfortunately, insurance is a necessary evil. Not a big fan of insurance, but we have to have it. And we need it to protect ourselves in case we cause a collision or in case someone hits us and doesn't have enough insurance.
So do we want to go with the companies that sell all of them, or is somebody who just sells car insurance fine?
It's a case-by-case basis. You have to find out what your needs are. The key is finding a knowledgeable and experienced insurance agent who can walk you down your needs and then offer you the insurance that would fit you and your family's needs.
So what could be the benefit? Is it typically a less expensive option when you go with somebody who just sells auto insurance versus somebody who sells all different kinds?
Well, you don't want to scrimp on your coverage. So you want to find an independent agent who can shop it for you.
Okay.
You tell them what your needs are, they go find it, and you need to know what it is you're talking about and what they're talking about. You need liability insurance, you need uninsurance, underinsurance. Those are top insurance priorities when you're buying car insurance.
Because obviously it's going to be cheaper if you only get liability, as we know, and if you only get the state minimum. But when it comes time to the fact that, you're in an accident, when it comes time to make a claim, that can hurt you.
That can hurt you greatly. And you have to look at the insurance company, what they're going to do for you in case there is a claim. If you cause a collision, they're going to take control of it. But if you're involved in a collision and you're the person who's hurt or a family member is killed, the insurance company on the other side is the bully on the playground. They're going to push you around, and that's why you need a lawyer.
And you said sometimes these companies, too, will make a profit really at the consumer's expense.
Absolutely. In my opinion, Robin, insurance companies don't lose money. You and I pay our premiums. All they do is take money in. The only ways they lose money, bad investments and paying claims. So what do? When you present a claim, they put up the big stop sign.
So let's talk about some red flags maybe. If we are calling to order an insurance policy, to get a quote, what are some of the main things we should be asking for? Are there things that we can immediately know, this doesn't sound like a good policy? Well,
you need an agent who knows. But what you need to know from listening to us today is you need enough coverage to cover you, your family, your assets. $100,000 is a good starting point. Sounds like a lot of money, but it doesn't cost that much. You need uninsurance and underinsurance in case someone hits you who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough. That way you're protected both sides of the equation.
So how can a lawyer help you? Where do you come in as far as if somebody is involved in this accident and dealing with a policy that maybe didn't cover what they should have?
Well, exactly right. Unfortunately, that's after the fact. We don't do fender benders. We do big tragedy, catastrophic cases. We do people that have been injured badly or even killed. That's when you need a lawyer, because the more money involved in the case, the more the insurance companies are going to fight you.
That makes sense. Okay, and the Smith Law Office team is actually growing. We do want to mention, so if you need help with anything, Scott, you've got a lot of qualified experts on your team.
We do. We just hired a new attorney, Nicholas Owen. We welcome him to the family. He's going to be a great asset. We're getting bigger, we're getting more work, and you need us.
Okay, definitely. Call Scott Smith, call anybody on his team. All the information there on the bottom of your screen. Scott, it is always good to talk with you.
Thank you, Robin.